Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Solutions, and in today's video we're going to be doing a comparison between a Microsoft Authenticator and a Google Authenticator, okay? And it's a very big battle of security titans, and if you're wondering which one is the best choice for your needs, guys, I want you to stick around because I'm going to break it down for you. Now, I wanted to record, well, I have already recorded one with the screen recording while using both the apps, but the problem is there's a security feature that turns the screen black because this is a very security sensitive applications. So I'm just gonna walk you through like this. So let's start with the compatibility. This is our first criteria. Now, in terms of compatibility, a Microsoft Authenticator works seamlessly with Microsoft devices and services, but also it supports a wide range of third-party apps. It's available on both iOS and Android. And Google Authenticator, it is more popular with Google services and works well with apps that require TOTP, which is time-based one-time passwords. It's also available on both Android and iOS as well, as you can see, and BlackBerry OS as well. Now, the winner here depends on which ecosystem you're actually tied to. Now, in terms of features, this is where things get a little bit interesting, okay? Microsoft Authenticator, guys, they have password management. They support password management, multi-device syncing, and notifications for login approval. It also has biometric authentication, guys. Let me show you here. As you can see, it has a biometric authentication for added security. Right now, Google Authenticator, they've just recently introduced a backup and sync feature, but it also lacks, still some extras like built-in password management. So for features, I would say a Microsoft Authenticator edges ahead. Now, in terms of ease of use, both apps, guys, are very, very simple to use. You can scan QR codes to add accounts and generate codes for two-factor authentication. However, guys, Microsoft's Authenticator's integration with the other Microsoft services makes it a very, very smooth, a smoother experience if you are in their ecosystem. So it's a tie if you're platform agnostic, but Microsoft Authenticator wins for Microsoft users, I would say. Now, in terms of security, both apps are highly secure, okay? But Microsoft Authenticator adds an extra layer with their encrypted backups. Now, Google Authenticator, they have only recently, guys, added backups, but it's a step ahead for now, but it's actually behind in terms of advanced security features like encryption, right? So for security, I would say, honestly, Microsoft Authenticator has the edge. For offline use, both apps work offline for generating one-time codes, making them reliable in any situation. For this, guys, there's no clear winner here. It's a tie. So the final verdict, I would say, guys, if you're tied to the Microsoft ecosystem, or you want advanced features like password management, then Microsoft Authenticator is your best bet. But for simplicity and broad compatibility, guys, Google Authenticator still is a very, very solid choice. So which one should you actually pick? It boils down to, of course, your preferences and the ecosystem you're tied to. And that's it, guys, for today's breakdown. Let me know in the comments which app you're going to be using and why. Don't forget to like, comment, and guys, make sure you subscribe to Smart Solutions and hit that bell for more tech comparisons. And I'll see you in the next one.